Before I knew it, I was holding on the doors, holding on.
Hi friend, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine. And you?
I'm also fine. How much?
Over the moon.
What is your name?
My name is Hamima Vishwas Pratibha and you call me Pratibha.
Okay. How can I believe of your name is Hamima Vishwas Pratibha?
You can believe my name by asking my parents, relatives, friends, and also my teachers.
Okay. Can I take off your introduce Pratibha?
Of course.
Please tell me about your introduce.
My name is Hamima Vishwas Pratibha. I'm from Pragpur, but I live in Varamara. I am I am a student of class 8. The name of my school is Government Varamara Pilot Secondary Girls School. The name of my father is Hamidul Haq and the name of my mother is Chat Sultana. My father is an ideal service holder and my mother is an ideal housewife.
Okay, thank you. Do you watch TV?
Sometimes I watch TV.
Do you have dish antenna of your house?
Yes,
Okay. With whom do you watch TV?
alone.
Which channel do you like most?
I like cartoon channel very much.
Okay. Do you like cricket?
No, I don't like cricket.
What is your opinion about Bangladesh?
Bangladesh is a small but wonderful country. Bangladesh is a developing country. Bangladesh has an inspiring story of growth and development. That's it.
You
Say,
are right. Do you want to learn English?
yes, I want to learn English.
But why?
I want to learn English because English is an international language and it is very necessary for us.
Okay. What is your favorite town?
My favorite town is Varamara.
But why?
I live in Varamara, so I love that. Its natural beauty is very nice. There are two super shop there. It is there.
You are right. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.